Hello, this is Mark Hagan, and today I'm going to show you how to take PCI-friendly invoice payments and donation payments to your existing WordPress website. First thing you need to do is log into your administration for WordPress, and we're going to hover over Plugins and go to Add New. So the first thing you need to do here on the plugin screen is type in Heartland. And you'll see that we have quite a few plugins available, and more so on our website as well. And the one that we want to install for the vanilla WordPress install, just the basic WordPress install, is this WP Secure Submit. So click Install Now. So this downloads, installs the plugin, but you still need to activate it. So click that Activate button. You'll see that it added a new tab on the sidebar here. And we're just going to click that, which takes us to the settings page. I've already got my public and secret API keys filled out. You can get yours by clicking the link here right above that, right above the keys. Also, we have this Enable Button Builder box checked. Make sure that you check that box. If you need to tweak the email template that goes out or the from name and that type of information, you would do that in these boxes. So we're installed, we're configured, we've saved this, we're ready to test. So let's create a new page. I'm going to add new. And we'll call this sample pay invoice demo. And this is your standard WordPress page creation. The only thing that you need to do is click this toggle toolbar button, which maybe you've already clicked, just to make sure that you can view the extra icons, including this new one, Secure Submit Button Builder. So click that icon, and we're going to do, as I mentioned, an example that does a donation or pay invoice style, and we're going to collect some additional data such as an invoice number. So let's do a long form first, and then I'll do a modal. Actually, you know what? We'll do a modal first and then a long form later. So let's change the button text to be something like pay invoice. We don't need a state. We'll change the override. We'll override the default amount to say $10. It's the world's cheapest lawn mowing service. We don't need to override the logo. We don't care about anonymous payments. We aren't collecting shipping because we're not shipping a product, but we do need some additional fields, as I mentioned. First of which is a text box that we'll call invoice number. And we'll make that field required because we do want that. We'll add another one that is maybe the type of service that was performed, just to show that you can add more of these options as you go. So we'll do a drop down, and this could be lawn mowing. And the next one might be snow removal. You could add leaf removal, or you could add anything that fits your business model. Also, if you were to put in parentheses after this a dollar amount, it's going to override the default amount with whatever the customer selects. But we'll just leave it as is for now. So we've configured some options, and we of course could add as many as we need. And then we just want to see what this looks like. So let's insert this embed code, and let's publish this page. And then I'm going to open this in a new tab, this page that we just created. And this is a live page now. I'm a customer. I want to pay you. I see pay invoice. That makes a lot of sense to me. Default amount is $10, as we told it. My name on the card, Mark Hagan. And that's in Jeffersonville. We don't have state, but we do have zip code. So let's hit next. This is going to be the page I discussed where you're going to have the required invoice number. So you can, let's see what it looks like whenever I don't select it. So let's say lawn mowing, and I hit next. It says, uh-oh, please complete all the required fields before proceeding. So it will not let me pass this screen until I type in my invoice number. So let's hit next, and we're on the card information screen. Type in a credit card number, date in the future. Do 15/23. Actually, shoot, I can't believe it's already, we'll do March, and we're going to click Pay Invoice. So this is going to tokenize the card, process the card, and as you see, my payment was successful. So I can click off of that. Now let's do the exact same thing, but let's change one variable, this modal from a true to a false. And this is the same as clicking the Use Long Form. Here, I'll show it to you. If I were to click this Render Long Form button, it changes that variable to a false. We'll just change it in our existing example so that we don't have to type all that out again. Okay, let's update, and now let's have a look at the exact same page. So let's refresh that page, and what you see is it is the exact same thing where it collects this additional data. The only difference is it lays it down into one seamless form, and if you had more fields to collect, they would show up down here as you would expect. It still does the validation of the invoice number. It's still going to update that dollar amount whenever this box is changed if you preferred to put the dollar amount in parentheses. And that is the entire end-to-end how to create custom fields in WordPress using our button builder. If you have any questions, make sure you get onto our website, developer.heartlandpaymentsystems.com/securesubmit, and we have a support section on there where you can contact us directly. Thank you for your time. Bye.